नाउ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम, प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना, ठीक है. Why news? Because recently the cabinet has approved the extension of this scheme, which was launched in the May or March last year in 2020. Now the scheme has been extended till November 2021. इस स्कीम में कोई बहुत अलग से कोई चीज नहीं है जिसको समझाने वाली चीज है, लेकिन why I have brought up this scheme is because I want to cover certain schemes within my lectures so that you understand the importance of the scheme, and this scheme might be in the prelims exam. Okay, तो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन दिस वन. तो ये स्कीम किस लिए लॉन्च हुई थी? बिकॉज लॉकडाउन इंप्लीमेंट होने के बाद 23rd ऑफ द मार्च इन 2020 अब रिवर्स माइग्रेशन स्टार्टेड टेकिंग प्लेस फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्रियल हब्स टू द विलेजेस. अब वहाँ पे बहुत सारी इश्यूज आ रहे थे क्योंकि लेबर्स एंड पुअर पीपल वर माइग्रेटिंग back to their villages. They did not have actually food to eat, and they faced severe hardships. To address that, government brought this Garib Kalyan package under the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now Garib Kalyan package was the whole package, ठीक है. उसमें बहुत सारी schemes थी for the upliftment or for helping the poor in the times of COVID. Under that package, this Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana was also a scheme. Now what is this Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana? This scheme is over and above the NFSA Act. NFSA, National Food Security Act 2013, provides for legal entitlements. ठीक है, legal entitlements to certain population. Around 70% of the population is covered within NFSA Act, and they are provided food grains at a very cheap price. ठीक है, so that the access can be made available to the last section of the population. The scheme was originally launched in March. It was announced in March, and since it has been extended. Now again also it has been extended till March 21. अब इस स्कीम में है क्या कि it will cover 80 crore of the population. ठीक है, तो it will be around 2/3 of the population will be covered under the scheme. Okay, and it aims to provide free ration to 80 crore people, that is around 2/3 of the population. Okay, entitlements: more than 80 crore will be provided 5 kg of free wheat rice per person per month. Okay, per person per month, not per family per month, या not per household per month. अब यहाँ पे एक important चीज है कि under NFSA Act there are two kind of things. The first one is अन्नदाता अन्न योजना. अन्नदाता अन्न योजना seeks to address the poorest of the poor. ठीक है, and the second अन्नदाता अन्न योजना नहीं, it was अन्नपूर्णा अन्न योजना. ठीक है, AAY या अंत्योदय. ओके, सॉरी, there are under NFSA Act there are two things. AAY, ठीक है, अंत्योदय. अंत्योदय in Hindi means the poor of the poorest. Okay, तो अंत्योदय अन्न योजना was brought for the poor of the poorest section of the society to provide them with legal entitlements of food. ठीक है, तो अंत्योदय अन्न योजना के अंदर में जो फैमिलीज हैं ओके, more than, first of all, 5 kg का wheat rice per person per kg will be provided per month. 1 kg of whole chana to each family per member per month. Okay, each family chana will be provided per family per month, and the grains will be provided 5 kg per person per month. ठीक है, wheat has been allocated. Okay, this is not important. This is over and above the National Food Security Act. जो नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट के अंदर में एंटाइटलमेंट्स है, जो पीडीएस या राशन सिस्टम है, उसके अंदर जो एलोकेशन है, ये स्कीम उसके ओवर एंड अबव है. ओके, ओवर एंड अबव मतलब वो एंटाइटलमेंट्स तो मिलेंगे ही, उसके ऊपर ये वाला भी एंटाइटलमेंट मिलेगा. अब यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ बेनिफिशियरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ बेनिफिशियरी जो फैमिलीज बिलो बीपीएल फैमिलीज का और अंत्योदय अन्न योजना वाली फैमिलीज का एंड प्रायोरिटी हाउस होल्ड वाली फैमिलीज का है, ये 3 कैटेगरीज में होंगी. प्रायोरिटी हाउस होल्ड families will be identified by the state governments based on the regulation that they form. Okay, और अंत्योदय अन्न योजना वाली families का जो identification होगा, that will be based on the central government's regulations. Okay, identification will be done by state governments in both the cases, but the rules that determine the identification will be different for Antyodaya Anna Yojana families and the priority household families. Okay, households headed by widows. Okay, who are included in this whole scheme? So vulnerable section, rickshaw pullers, okay, weavers, blacksmiths, carpenters, slum dwellers, है ना, जिनका डेली बेसिस पे वेज की वजह से जिनकी लाइफ चलती है ना, ऑफ कोर्स इन लेबर्स एंड ऑल दीज पीपल जो वर्स्ट जो द पीपल हु आर फेसिंग द वर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, ओके, दे विल बी कवर्ड अंडर दिस स्कीम. प्रिमिटिव ट्राइबल हाउसहोल्ड सारे कवर हो गए. Widows or terminally ill patients will be covered. Okay, households headed by widows or terminally ill persons. Okay, households जहाँ पे which are being headed by a widow, ठीक है, या which are being headed by the terminally ill person. Okay, that will also be covered. All eligible BPL families with HIV positive persons. Okay, so these are the eligibilities for the scheme. So I would recommend that you go through the scheme. और इसमें दो तीन चीजें हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ बेनिफिशियरी कैसे होगा, द सेकंड वन इज एंटाइटलमेंट क्या है, एंड द थर्ड वन इज एलिजिबिलिटीज, और मतलब कौन कौन से लोग एलिजिबल हैं. तो सारे वल्नरेबल सेक्शंस ऑलमोस्ट एलिजिबल हैं इसमें, ऑलमोस्ट के सारे ही वल्नरेबल सेक्शंस यू कैन थिंक ऑफ आर एलिजिबल. सेकंड एंटाइटलमेंट है 5 kg पर मंथ पर पर्सन ग्रेन्स का, फूड ग्रेन्स का, एंड 1 kg पर मंथ पर हाउस होल्ड फॉर होल चना, एंड ऑल दैट विल बी एंटाइटलमेंट and eligibility मैंने बताई दी, and that shall cover the whole scheme. So this scheme was a very short one, but it is also important one, है ना, छोटी चीजें और ज़्यादा important होती हैं, तो I recommend you to go through this scheme on your own and also make notes of it, okay, because now the exam has been postponed. This is a very ripe time for mains answer writing. I hope you are doing it. So whenever you are answering questions which include these vulnerable sections of societies, okay, you should always try to mention these schemes. Okay, these schemes have very definite impact on the examiner, because then the examiner thinks that you are having a knowledge of how an administrator should think. Okay, you are not just filling the page, you are actually giving some content that is relevant to an administrator.